Creating handmade wooden decorative pieces serves both a practical and aesthetic purpose, allowing artisans to express their creativity while providing functional items that enhance living spaces. The charm of handcrafted wooden decor lies in its ability to blend utility with artistry, resulting in unique pieces that resonate with buyers seeking authenticity and warmth in their homes. As more people embrace the idea of supporting local crafts, the market for handmade wooden items continues to thrive, offering artisans a pathway to turn their passion into a profitable venture. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of easy-to-make purposeful and decorative wooden pieces, or sell handmade wooden decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the most appealing aspects of crafting wooden decorative pieces is the versatility of wood as a material. Wood comes in various types, each with its own distinct grain, color, and texture. This variety allows artisans to create an array of items, from rustic to modern designs, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. For instance, a simple wooden bowl can serve as a functional kitchen accessory, while also acting as a stunning centerpiece on a dining table. When made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, these pieces not only serve a purpose, but also tell a story of environmental consciousness and craftsmanship. The process of creating decorative wooden items can also be a deeply fulfilling experience for artisans. Each piece offers an opportunity to explore different techniques, whether it's carving, sanding, or applying finishes. This hands-on approach fosters a connection to the materials and the creative process, allowing artisans to pour their passion and personality into their work. As they experiment with designs and styles, they develop a unique signature that sets their creations apart in the crowded marketplace. One popular idea for handmade wooden decorative pieces is creating custom signs or wall art. These items can be personalized to reflect the values or interests of the buyer, making them perfect for home decor. For example, a wooden sign displaying a family name or a meaningful quote can add a personal touch to a living room or entryway. The ability to customize these pieces not only enhances their appeal, but also creates a deeper emotional connection for the consumer. Such personalized items often become cherished keepsakes that hold sentimental value, making them ideal for gifting. Another practical application of wooden decor is the creation of functional items like coasters, trays, or candle holders. These pieces serve essential roles in daily life while adding a touch of elegance to home settings. Handcrafted wooden coasters, for instance, can protect surfaces from heat and moisture while showcasing the beauty of the wood. By incorporating unique designs or finishes, artisans can elevate these everyday items into decorative statements that enhance the overall decor of a room. The practicality of these pieces ensures they are not just beautiful but also functional, appealing to consumers looking for items that serve multiple purposes. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the trend towards minimalism and sustainability has further fueled the demand for handmade wooden items. As people seek to declutter their living spaces and prioritize meaningful decor, handcrafted pieces become increasingly attractive. A simple wooden shelf or a small planter can serve both decorative and practical functions, allowing homeowners to display plants or cherished items without overwhelming their spaces. These pieces embody the principles of thoughtful design, providing functionality while promoting a serene and organized environment. Artisans can also explore the growing interest in seasonal and holiday decor. Crafting wooden ornaments, decorations, or themed centerpieces can attract consumers looking to enhance their celebrations with unique, handmade items. For example, Wooden ornaments for Christmas or carved pumpkins for Halloween offer an opportunity to create festive decor that stands out from mass-produced alternatives. These seasonal items not only add charm to celebrations, but also create lasting memories, making them appealing to consumers who value tradition and craftsmanship. Additionally, the rise of e-commerce has opened new avenues for artisans to sell their handmade wooden decorative pieces. Online platforms allow creators to showcase their work to a broader audience, reaching consumers who appreciate unique, locally made products. High-quality photographs and engaging descriptions can highlight the craftsmanship and story behind each piece, attracting buyers who are looking for authenticity in their purchases. Establishing an online presence enables artisans to connect with customers directly, fostering relationships that can lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Social media platforms also play a crucial role in promoting handmade wooden decor. Artisans can share their creative process, from initial sketches to the finished product, offering insight into the craftsmanship involved. By documenting their work, artisans can engage with their audience, showcasing the beauty of their creations while building a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate handmade artistry. This engagement not only enhances brand visibility, but also cultivates a loyal customer base that values the personal touch of handmade items. As artisans build their brands and explore new ideas for wooden decorative pieces, they should consider the importance of quality craftsmanship. Consumers are increasingly discerning, seeking products that reflect attention to detail and durability. By ensuring that each piece is well-made and finished to high standard, artisans can create items that not only look beautiful but also stand the test of time. This commitment to quality enhances the perceived value of the products, allowing artisans to command higher prices and establish a reputation for excellence. Furthermore, the emotional connection that consumers form with handmade items cannot be overlooked. When individuals purchase a decorative wooden piece, they are often drawn to the story behind it and the craftsmanship involved. Each item carries the artisan's touch, making it more than just a product. It becomes a part of the buyer's home and a reflection of their values. This emotional resonance fosters loyalty among consumers, encouraging them to seek out more handmade items and support local artisans. In creating easy-to-make, purposeful, and decorative wooden pieces offers artisans a meaningful way to express their creativity while providing functional items that enhance living spaces. The versatility of wood as a material allows for a wide range of designs, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Whether through custom signs, functional accessories, or seasonal decor, handmade wooden items resonate with consumers seeking authenticity and quality. As artisans continue to explore new ideas and engage with their audience, they can build successful businesses that celebrate the beauty of craftsmanship and the significance of handmade artistry. Ultimately, these wooden pieces serve as lasting reminders of the value of creativity, sustainability, and the personal touch that defines the handmade movement. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy-to-make purposeful and decorative wooden pieces, or sell handmade wooden decorative pieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.